very much. Bachelor of Science in Nursing 1A. Dito lang daw tayo sa gitna muna. Sa gitna. Kalma lang, kalma lang. Ayan.
Galing, sir. Galing.
Alam niyo ba ang katotohanan na hindi kayo gagraduate ng St. Dominic College of Asia kung hindi kayo nag-perform dito? Tama ba mga 4th year?
Yes!
Nasaan ang mga 4th year ko na nag-tribal dance noong 2008? Nasaan ang mga 3rd year ko na nagkarakol noong 2009? And of course, nung in-standardize na natin siya at nilaunch natin yung ating very own Kulayawan Festival. Ayan. So now, may I hear from Sir Mike?
Hello, good evening everybody. Good evening sirs and ma'am. Okay, so what's that I hear? Maybe we can save that later. But anyway, I love the burst of colors that I've seen with your group. The choreography was simple, but it was synchronized. It was very synchronized, and I love the way you did it. Yeah, I love you too. So, the performance overall was very good, and I love it. Although I saw some of the girls were a bit hot-headed kasi nakasimangot kayo. Dapat standard yan. From front up to the back, lahat kayo nakasmile. So that would make your performance very, very good. Okay? So yun lang naman yung negative thing na nakita ko. But you did a great performance. I hope you do well with the scores with the other judges. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And now, Sir Sherman?
Alright, so good evening ulit. I agree with Sir Mike, the burst of colors, sobrang ganda. Sobrang colorful ng inyong costume. So, very good kayo doon. Choreography, sabay-sabay kayong lahat. And actually, meron na akong nakitang 100% para sa akin na magandang training sa pag-perform. Si ate, yan yung nakita nun. Yan. Hindi kasi nakita kita kanina, nahulog mo yung ano tawag mo dyan? Oo, nahulog. Pero, gano'n nga, di ba? The show will always go on. The show must go on. Di ba? So, ayun, kudos to you, ate, and kudos sa inyong team. So, good luck.
Very much, BSN 1A. Pakiusap lamang daw sa mga nasa technical booth, hindi po nila makita. Medyo move po tayo. Ayan. Thank you very much, BSN 1A. And guys, actually, wala pang approval pero announce ko na, we receive an invitation from Lyceum of Philippines asking for a cultural group to